morning everyone. Today I, Atharva Kali, is going to give a lecture on the topic the role of female force in employment sector. So recently the unemployment rate have been highest till now, employment and underemployment. Unemployment rate in 2000 was 2% which rose to 5.8% in 2022. And even if the unemployment rate may not seem that so high, but people indulge themselves in underemployment sector, in which more people work instead of they should do. And because of that, LFPR, which is Labour Force Participation Rate, have been decreasing till now. It was 61.6% in year 2000 and it dropped to 49.8% in year 2018. It has recovered halfway through the year of 2022, but that is still not enough. One of the major and integral part of our country are women. Women play an important role wherever they go, so their role in employment sector is also must. The LFPR of female was 3.6%, which rose to 20.6% since 2000 to 2018 in urban areas, and in rural areas from 20.6 to 36.6% from 2000 to 2018 and year 2022. And but still that is not very so high, because as compared to the other world countries, the LFPR of female is 53.8% and India's is merely 20%. And this is all because most of the female in India indulge in household activities which are not very beneficial or does not add any value to the economic sector, whereas the male participation in this sector is only 3%. So because of that, many problems arise, and also the sanitation facilities. There are also lack of policies, which are the main reason that the Indian women don't go out and do much labor force participation in the country. So to tackle this problem, various methods were taken such as SHGs, self-help groups, which would encourage movement to join employment forces and earn for their family. Organize programs such as Kuch Mahila Vikas Sangathan (KMVS) are one of the great example. And also various methods were taken such as improving the sanitation facilities, which were great. So the LFPR of female increase, and this all contributes to the growth of the country in various sectors. In conclusion, I would like to say that women are an integral part of a country, and their participation in the labor force may help country economically, socially, and also improve their HDI, human development index.